Okay, so today's project is going to be trying to replace my stock Shaker 1000 on my 2005 Mustang. 2-3 weeks ago, I had an issue. I went to switch CDs and came up CD error, and it's been doing that the whole time. So yeah, it needs to be replaced. Looked online and they said, yeah. Now these systems you can send back to Ford for $300, but I went with a aftermarket kit from Clutchfield. I'll show you the setup later. First things first, go and unhook the battery. It's either a 10 or an 8. I forget which one. Eight has it. So the battery's unhooked. Next up, we gotta take the console out. There's two Phillips head screws in the back. You have to be careful of because you got all your wires back here. Like everything else, not seen nothing online about having a hard time taking these off. Okay, so had a couple of issues. The HVAC, two clips on the back. So when I was trying to pull it off a little bit, hopefully it didn't break, but this clip came off right in the car, and this clip thing here is a son of a bitch. See, here it is when you pull it out. Now the video I just watched said you push down, but you don't push down. When it's in, you press that down and pull up on it to unlock it and pull it out. So I couldn't get it out, couldn't figure it out, so I just took it apart with the hex screws, and yeah. But now it's out. Now what I have to do are what should be 7mm. Now, if I'm correct, this should slide right out. So yeah, now it's time to go into the garage and look at the putting together a new one. I'm just going to show you the hole here. These three are your radio wires. These three here are your radio wires. I think this is, I'm pretty sure that yellow wire is your antenna. Guys, I thought I lost them. These are your top controls, heater controls down there. Yeah, take it inside. A little rusty in there, but I did have a water leak problem. I don't think it's going to matter too much. I'm going to clean that up in there a little bit before I put it back together. Okay, thank you.